And my most recent addition to the Gua Sha modalities that I have is this beautiful gold Gua Sha from Kansa Organics. And I'll leave the links below for you guys. But this is a beautiful gold Gua Sha. It's made up of different metals. It's an Ayurvedic Gua Sha, so it pulls acidity from the skin. It also revitalizes your complexion like all of the other Gua Shas do. It helps to release toxins, and it helps us to depuff. It says that it can minimize visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, which all the other Gua Shas can do as well if used properly. And this is by far one of the heaviest Gua Shas I've ever owned, but it is really beautiful. And I'll be showing you guys how to use it on the face. And typically what you want to do is work your way up and down with light pressure. And this is, like I said, a really heavy stone, so it's a little bit harder to manipulate on the skin, but it does feel really good. Actually, the heavier something is, I feel that the higher quality it is. You can bring it all the way to the back as well. It feels really, really nice. I actually think the weight of this stone is wonderful, especially if you hold a lot of tension in your neck. And you can bring it down to the trapezius here and behind on the shoulder part. If you've got tech neck or you're sitting on your computer all day, you can use this with medium pressure. Just make sure you have slip on your skin, because you don't want to bruise your skin. And just work your way up, and you can go down as well. The trick with Gua Sha is that when you're lifting and toning, everything is with a light to medium pressure. When you're doing your drainage for lymphatic drainage, it is a very, very light pressure, okay? Because you don't want to collapse the lymph nodes and lymph vessels that are in our neck and face. After we open up our neck, we're going to move to the chin. You're going to do this on each side, okay? And I'm holding my stone like this. With medium pressure, I can feel a lot of the crunchy superficial fascia under there breaking up. Do that 6 to 10 times in each area. And you can adjust your arm as well. And I'm using my other hand for support, okay? So that I'm not, just pulling the skin. You can go as slow as you want. And then moving up to that other section, I'm doing about a medium pressure, and then I lighten up when I get close to the eye area. And you never want to go inside of the orbital ridge here, you're just going to stay on the outside. Adjust your arm and hold that stone at a 15 to 45 degree angle to the skin. Okay, if you're holding it like this, you're not going to get as amazing a benefit, so if you just slightly tilt it towards your face and pull it out and up, you're going to get way more benefits. As you can see, this side of my face is already much more lifted and a little bit more slim. Isn't that amazing? Okay, and now we're going to do the forehead, and then what you'll do is you can pause this video and go to the other side and do that. If you need more of a reference or you want to take one of my Gua Sha masterclasses, you can visit my website at sacredfacials.com/store. I'll leave the links below. Okay, we're going to do the forehead now, so you can either go up like this with medium pressure from the eyebrow, or you can come around and pull upwards like this. Okay, and you can do that 6 to 10 times. Whoops. And then go across the eyebrow, or right on top of it, whatever feels good for you to relieve that tension. And if you're doing this daily, you're really going to have some amazing results. And then I just go from the middle of the forehead on this side to the temple, and that's also very light to medium pressure. And then you'll repeat this on the other side. So we already did the neck here, but you're gonna go under and hold it here, going up in 3 sections with this one, avoiding that orbital ridge, and try to be cautious around this area. And then you can either go upwards or come around and pull up this way. This is a slippery, heavy stone, so be really careful when you're working with this one, especially over hardwood floor. And then you're gonna go across, and you can support your skin too, this way, okay? Every Gua Sha has some sort of a divot in it. This is great for going along the jawline if you want to. You can also use this to kind of sculpt underneath that cheekbone, which feels really good. Just maintain that connection with your skin. It's kind of hard to do this in the camera, but you get it. And then you can go over your eyebrow. I'm thinking like this, or even you can flip it over and go like this. This relieves tension on top of and under the eyebrow. Just be really careful working close to your eye area there. And then you can also use this probably underneath your ear here. It mimics that live long and prosper hand with really light pressure, just going down to the clavicle bone. And you can do that 10 times to help everything drain. So the goal is to open up your neck first, work up the face, and then bring everything back down really lightly. You're always going to work from the inside out and down. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to help my channel. And if you did like this video, please comment below and let me know so that I know what kind of content you guys would like for me to create in the future. So I will see you soon, and thanks for watching.